Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival today. This time it is a 2012 on a 62 plate Ford Focus, 1.6 diesel Zetec, 114,000 miles. Nice clean car, absolutely stacks of history. There's 11 stamps in the book, plus we will do another service on it as well. Now it's had a cambelt water pump and major service at 84,000 miles. I've got a bill in there to prove that, and all the service history I've took pictures of and we've put in the pictures. So if you look through the end past the car pictures, you'll see there's some of the service history there. So it's been very well looked after. It's all nice and clean inside as well. Just had all the seats washed, it's all been machine polished, so looking very shiny. And the Zetec's a nice spec. It's got a climate pack, so it's got heated windscreen, it's got aircon, heated mirrors, electric windows in the front. Which is a nice car. 114,419 miles as we do the video today. So it will come with a service from us. It will come with a clean, no advisory MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. So there's more details on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk. So including all the service history bits and bobs, 2 keys with it as well, £20 road tax, good all-round family diesel car this. So if you are interested, do give us a call. You may see in the background there we actually have another one as well. So we do like these sort of things. So rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or give us a call 07 868 722 133.